Scene number 5, shot 4, take 1. 10, shot 2, take 4. Episode 1, scene number 11, shot 5, take 2. Napa bitra thopiro?
Adu ju amai bi na tar su lai. Ras ka dipak na dare se ka di. Amai bi na tar su atu pa lai dan.
And action! Allez, go! One, two, three. And action!
Lama sagalak paise paidagi akhoina sanari se karino habadane discipline lairiba laiba mabung kwa mayam se ibung ni khanba imani khanba ibok ni khanba
kami suku kami ni yang dah tin mulu ke rumah tu tin tak sih memang tu tadi saya putoro
Ya.
Mina kalau baca baca kemudian sudah
Hi everyone, my name is Francesco Tresca and I'm a field composer from Italy. I'm the composer for the series Nurabi the Virgin. It's an Asian series, it's a kind of a drama psychological series with some supernatural elements, very mysterious, and I really recommend you to follow it because it's very, very nice. It's been my first time working on an Asian project, and it's been a beautiful experience because I had to do the classic Western orchestral score, but mixed with some folk and Asian instruments. It's a kind of very, very interesting fusion. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. See you soon.